I am back in the road. Today we are gonna do our quarter-mile run again, and hopefully, fingers crossed, we are gonna get a 14.9999. I really hope so. Obviously, I did change a few things. I completely removed my blower valve. So the previous, I think it was a few videos back, I actually closed my blower valve. The kind of cool thing about it is you can adjust it to atmospheric, or you can close it for recirculating. So I completely removed the blower valve. It's completely out now. The car still flutters crazy. I don't understand why, but anyway, nevertheless, we removed it. Hopefully we're gonna have more power. Physically, I don't feel anything, but we're gonna try it anyway. So let's quickly start the car up. Oh, I just switched it off. So darn smooth. Okay, so gotta put traction off, sport mode, all these goodies. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit start. The road is clear. And it's launching. Very bad launch though. It bogged way too much. Still shifting at 5.5. Come on. Okay, and this road is a little bit uphill as well. We got our quarter-mile time. I just want to slow down to a proper, comfortable speed. 15.5. Oh my gosh, but it's really hot today. It's 28.5 degrees, says the A4. It's honestly, it's hot today. Here comes all my excuses. Now the problem is what can I do while I'm driving? I can put it into drive mode. So let me launch on sport mode, and then as soon as I hit my going into my second gear, I change it to drive mode and see if that's gonna help. But let me see if I can dump for you guys. Do you guys hear that? I swear it's even louder with the blower valve out. Okay, so give me a second quick so I can just okay, so I can just quickly hook everything up. So as I mentioned, we're gonna launch in sport mode. Hopefully it's gonna be a 4,000 launch. We're gonna go into drive then, and hopefully it's gonna shift at 6,000 RPMs. Let's try it out. If this combination works, I'm gonna be in heaven. So, there we go. There we go. Drive mode. Come on, baby. Oh, still 5.5. Okay, let's see now. Still 5.5. This sucks. Feels like the car is going a little bit faster. It just did now. It's 29 degrees outside. 15.6, guys. That is hella crap. Blower valve, you're going back in. It's kind of weird. Like, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Honest opinion now. The first time I did my quarter-mile time, it was about 30 degrees. It's 29.5 now. Wow, it's going like up 30. I don't know, it's probably because I'm accelerating or whatsoever, but yeah. So what I noticed is literally that the first time I did my quarter-mile run, I noticed immediately that it was also hot. So back then it was also about 30 degrees. I think I even said it was 31 or 32 or something like that. So we are 1 or 2 degrees shy from there. But obviously we've got the DA, the humidity, and all of these things that also change that can influence the car's performance. But in general, from my first run to the third run, the biggest difference is temperature. So now I'm seeing the almost exact same time that I did the first time. So the first time I got a 15.4 and then a 15.6. Here I got a 15.5 and a 15.6. So I actually did a little bit worse off today. I've got literally no idea why. The first time my wheels wasn't pumped up to 2.3 like currently now at this moment. So it's been a fail. It's honestly a fail. I think one of the biggest things pulling me back is that massive bog. I'm having a super bog. It's like the car launch, as soon as the clutch and the flywheel grips, as soon as you can feel, boom, it pulls away, it completely loses power. It's like almost like your traction is on, your car is spinning, but the car is not spinning. It's just bogging so darn bad. So yeah, then it completely loses power and it's like going slowly up, picking up boost, and then hits boost. It's freaking hot today, guys. It is super hot today, I'm not even kidding you. So long story short, the car is still shifting at 15.5. Why, after I even put it in drive mode, I still don't know. Maybe because it's locked into that sport mode idea. Maybe it's even the traction. Now, why didn't I think about that? Let's put the traction off. Let's see. Okay, so I put the traction off, right? And I just did a pull to 6,000 RPMs and then it shifted. So maybe it's actually the traction causing the early shifts. Maybe it's like a safety measure or something from that sort. But I'm going to leave it there. We're not going to dyno test this car any further. I think of actually putting the blower valve back, but then I have to start modifying and stuff, guys. Honestly, I'm also trying to think of maybe a way I can do dyno tuning with a blower valve in an atmospheric condition and a recirculating condition, just to see what will happen. But anyway, I'm talking a lot. Highly disappointed again. I didn't get my 14 point, sorry for the screen shaking. I didn't get my 14.999 as I was hoping to get. We actually did even worse. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see all of you legends in my next video.